Hi, my name is Stuart, and this is a demo of my Imgur Cloud project. This project lets you use the image hosting site Imgur for arbitrary file hosting, so you can put up any type of file. Conceptually, the process is pretty simple. You just read in the file in question, you re-represent the data as an image, and up it goes. There's a couple caveats. Imgur will uh, allow you to keep the original file type if it's under 5 megs. After that, it'll convert to JPEG, which is a problem. JPEGs are lossy, so uh, the process of using Imgur as basically cloud storage involves uploading your data in just under 5 meg chunks and basically daisy chaining them together. All right, a little bit more on that later. So, how does this work? In this demo, we have this folder called Uploads, where I have an MP3 file, this song, and an MP4 file, which is the music video for this other song. Both of them are great. And I am going to upload them to Imgur and then download them again. So let me make sure I have a browser window open here. Perfect. Let's do that. All right, so the first command you're going to want to run is this one, Python Imgur Cloud. What are we doing? We're uploading the path to your file. This string is a password if you want, and then -n, this is to leave a note for the logging. We hit enter, and this MP3 file is less than 5 megs, so it'll only take a single image to upload. What's going to happen here is the browser will open. We've already regenerated the data as an image, and so this is using Selenium. We're basically going to upload the file here and then close the browser. In the actual code in the repo, this will be set to run in headless mode because in real life that's probably what you would want. I just have it showing the actual browser here to better explain what's happening. There we go. So this funny fuzzy looking image, that's it. This is what that MP3 file looks like when you express it as an image. So again, it'll be a little faster on normal internet, but essentially what we're doing is we're grabbing the URL to this image, because if we ever want to download this back from the cloud, we need the image URL. Oh, upload complete, that's great. And once we grab the image URL, that'll get stored in the logs, and we'll have all the data we need. Cool. Look at that, it finished. All right, so you'll see we have 2 new files, timestamp log and upload log. Let's open up that upload log file real quick. All right, upload log. So now we can see we uploaded the song. Oop. Here is that image, and then here's the note that we had when we uploaded it. So let's take a look at that real quick. We go here, and there is our image, sure enough. All right, so let's go back, and I am going to show real quick what it looks like to do the download on this. So excuse me while I kind of scroll back through my history here. This is downloading the MP4. All right, so now Python imgurcloud.py, now we're downloading. We need to put in the path to the file. And this is going to be different now, and that's this guy. So if we wanted to download our song, we just go in here, we have the path. This is a password, that's our password. The files get compressed and AES encrypted before being sent up. And then this is the directory where we're going to download it, our downloads folder. And to just show you, there's nothing in there right now. So let's do it. So this is going to download that image, which just looks like noise. It's going to read that in as bytes. It's going to unencrypt it, uncompress it, reconstitute that as an MP3, and here it is. We got it. And so that's a simple example. We upload a file less than 5 megs, we download a file less than 5 megs. If you want to upload a file that's more than 5 megs, um, like this MP4, so you're going to show me the file size 11. That'll take 3 images, and we can do that. So let's find that guy. Upload. This is our MP3. Download, upload. Okay, cool. So here's our MP4 upload. And now the main thing here is we break the file into chunks, just less than 5 megs. And so the image contains the data of basically, because it's going to be 3 images, I'll just say a third, even though that's wrong. Each image contains a third of the data for this MP4 file, plus the URL pointing to the next image to go to. So when they're all uploaded, we don't need to remember 3 different imager URLs. We just remember the last imager URL. Because when we grab, when we do the download there and we extract everything, inside of the image will be the URL for the next one. So basically like linked listed together. You saw on my current internet that it took a little bit to upload 1 image. So uploading 3, I might just stop talking, cut it, and we can see when they're all up there. Okay, hello. Continuity change. New day, new shirt. Yesterday, my friend showed up to play disc golf, so I had to stop recording. Where we left off, I was uploading the MP4 file to Imgur. That was going to be uploaded as 3 images. We can see here all 3 got uploaded. And now I will demonstrate the downloading capability, which don't peek, I already did. And I'll do it again, this time on camera. So actually before that, looking at our upload log, we can see we have a new entry, this line, for uploading the MP4. This image is the one that we're going to want to download. So if we go back here, I actually have that in the command already. Checking, do I have that copied? Let's just recopy that real quick. Just checking in the browser really quick to show what that looks like. It'll look similar to the first one. This is what data looks like, visualized as an image, basically like noise. And so let's do the download. We have the downloads folder here in the background. We're going to run Python Imgur Cloud download, the URL of that image, our password, and then where do we want it to go. So we let that go. And we got the first image. We'll get the next 2. Each of the images, again, is compressed and AES encrypted, so we're just reversing that. We're downloading them, we're unencrypting, we're uncompressing, putting all that data together, and getting a final file, which you'll see just popped up here. And to show that this actually works, I don't expect that you'll hear anything on your end, but when I double-click, boom, the music video starts playing. So that is it. This was a fun little project. I've definitely thought about what you could do if you created the same functionality for YouTube. You could definitely store more more data there. You could do the same thing with SoundCloud, etc. Anyway, but that's it for the demo, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.